Some shop owners think the faster the oven heats up, the better. Get the parts in, get them cured, save time. But the result? Blistering, pinholes, and a spike in rejects. Powder curing isn't about speed, it's about the temperature ramp profile. When parts enter the oven, they need a low temperature zone first, so the powder melts and levels out slowly. Then, once it's flowed properly, the temperature rises to fully cure it. If you heat up too fast, the powder's viscosity spikes right away. Leveling time gets cut short, and trapped gases can't escape, leading to blisters and pinholes. Smart curing ovens are zoned. Lower heat in the front for leveling, then full heat in the back for curing. Remember, fast heat doesn't mean high efficiency. Quality curing is what counts. Does your curing oven have multiple temperature zones? Drop a comment. Let's talk.
摘要 Together we color the world.